teaspoon inspired people, Imani here. It's very early Sunday morning. I got up early this morning because I knew that I was going to have to refresh my curls before I go to church this morning. But I thought I'd use the opportunity to do a review or let you know about the IC Fantasia curl custard. If you've watched me on or seen me on Instagram or follow me on Instagram, you know that I raved about it the time that I purchased the product, and I've been loving it ever since. So let me do a quick review right now for you. I'm going to talk through this video instead of a voiceover, mainly because it takes much longer to do voiceovers and I don't really feel like it. But let me talk through this product as I'm putting it in my hair. I think I've also got quite a lot to say about it, so let's just get on with it. So my hair is already freshly washed using the same products that I use all the time. If you don't know what they are, watch my other videos. I also did a deep condition using the Can2 coconut mask, conditioning mask, yeah. And I'm just going to part my hair into sections and start applying my leave-in. I'm just going to do 3 sections today. Got to make this as quick as possible so that I'm not late for church. And for my leave-in, as you know, standard, it's Hawaiian Silky Miracle Worker 14-in-1. It's the one I've used in all my videos. It's definitely my staple. So just going to part that into smaller sections. Put my leave-in. Whoops, I nearly dropped that. Small amount. Just rake that through. This is also a good time to do a detangle. I did detangle while I was washing my hair, but it doesn't hurt just to go through it a little bit more gently than I'm doing now. But yeah, only using the 2 products. Well, this, the leave-in, the styling product, and then I will put an oil on top. But yes, this is what the product looks like. It's just a creamy consistency, but it's very light. It's not heavy. One of the reasons why I decided to try it, because I don't like thick, jelly, heavy products on my hair because they do weigh them down. But I thought this actually might work because it's quite light, quite a creamy consistency as well. So I'm going to apply quite a good amount of this product in my hair. And I just rake that through. And I just love how the curls instantly start forming as you put the product in. It's so light. You can see how my fingers are just running through my hair because it's just so soft. The slip is just amazing, incredible. I am raving about this product. I absolutely love it. And the best thing about this product, actually there is a story behind me actually getting it. I'd actually never heard of this line before. I'm just gonna carry on putting the product in while I let you know how I came about buying the product. So I've never heard of this line before, and I went to the shop, and as I do every month or maybe every 2 months after payday, I take a little bit of extra money to the store with the idea that I'm going to buy a product from one of those big brands. You know, those brands that we all want to try their products. Let me name a few. I've been wanting to try Kinky Curling Custard for years now. I want to try products from Curls. I want to try products from Mealy. I want to try products from... I want to try products from Carol's Daughter. You know the products. You know the brands I'm talking about. And so I go to the store with the intention of spending a little bit of extra, trying out some new hair products, trying out the ones that, you know, I don't normally buy because they cost a little bit more. And as I'm browsing through the store, as always, this is what I always do. I can't just go into the store and buy one thing. I have to start browsing, looking on the shelves, see what's available. And then I spot this. And then I see the price tag, $4.99. I'm thinking, first of all, I didn't know Fantasia did a line of curling products. They do a night repair oil that I've been using for maybe over 10 years now, even when I had relaxed hair, and that has been a staple. I'll actually show it to you. It's the Fantasia Nighttime Oil Treatment Oil. I stand by this, whether you're natural or you've got relaxed hair, it is a great oil treatment. Spritz it into your hair overnight or, you know, any time of the day really. It keeps your hair really soft and moisturized. So yes, I knew Fantasia for this. I knew Fantasia for their gels, but I didn't know they had a line of styling products for natural hair. So I was intrigued from the beginning, and for $4.99, as I always do, I put my £30 back into my pocket. I decided to buy this instead because, to be honest, it's a big investment spending the amount of money that we do on our natural hair. I do have the intention of trying some of these brands in the future. You know, I have a channel and I want to try different products. But this is going to be my staple. If I'm not trying new products, then you know that I'm using this one on a daily basis. For $4.99, you can't go wrong. I've been using it for nearly at least 4 or 5 weeks now, and I love it. I love the results that it gives me. I love the way that it keeps my hair soft. And the best thing about this product is that my curls last for about 7 days. And for me, that is unheard of. What am I doing? I'm talking so much, I actually need to continue doing my hair. For my curls to last 7 days continuous without having to do wash day is a miracle as far as I'm concerned. You have no idea how long I have been searching for a product that would allow me just to maintain my curls throughout the week, at least throughout the whole working, without having to have a wash day midweek. I really don't have the time for it. This product keeps my curls for 7 days. Sometimes I have to force myself to do wash day because there's really no need for it, but I just do it anyway. However, on this occasion, I really did need to do it because I think I extended it for over 7 days. So what can I say, Fantasia? Thank you for a product that works in my hair, that doesn't cost a fortune. It's completely affordable, something that I will be adding to my staples for life, whether I try other products or not. It just makes you wonder, what do those brands who justify £30 for a curling or styling product, what do they put in their products? Is there gold dust in there? Do you have to travel up mountains to find the ingredients for what is in your styling products? I don't get it. That's why I always tell people that if you want to go natural, you have to be ready for the expense of going natural. It can get quite costly just trying different products as it is, because you're going to be experimenting all the time. You'll buy something and it doesn't work for you. You can't return it. But the other thing is just sometimes the cost of some of the higher well-known brands, to me, is just a little bit too much. And I appreciate that they probably use the best organic products. The ingredients are great. They're very good for your hair, etc., etc. But I have no doubt that this product is good for my hair. I haven't read the ingredients, to be honest, but I'm not one for looking for all natural products. I'm confident that brands such as Fantasia have made enough research not to put ingredients that are going to break my hair or damage my hair in any way. So I appreciate the price. I appreciate them keeping it affordable. Fantasia and Cream of Nature, you keep your products affordable, which is great. Curls, edge control gel that I really want to try. It's currently one of the only things that I could possibly reach my pocket to spend in at the moment. I do want to try their line, the Blueberry Bliss line of products, but I don't know. I went to the Afro Hair and Beauty show the other week, and I probably should have bought it then because they had about a £2 or £3 discount on it. I think I'm missing opportunity there, but I will be buying that one because I want to try their edge control gel. It looks like it works well on most textures. Hopefully it will work on mine. Okay, so I better actually get on with this. So let me speed up the process. Let me carry on applying the product through my hair. I will at the end just go over with my Vita Coco coconut oil as I do usually, and start drying my hair with a diffuser because there's just no time to air dry. I'm going to church this morning. I'll be back. So here's my hair about 90% dry, 95% dry. There is shrinkage, but shrinkage is not a problem to me. I don't mind this length. I have been going out with this length because I've been trying to stop stretching my hair too much recently. As you know, I have tiny coily hair that gets very frizzy very easily, but I love it, and this will last all week. Yes, it will get frizzy as the week goes, but it's not a problem considering with other products I've used within 3 days I need to refresh my curls. This lasts so much longer and really done it this time. I appreciate it. You're thinking about our pockets and you're giving us a good product at the same time, and I wish more brands would do this. Now I would happily sort of shape it and go out with this length of hair, but just so that I can show you the difference, I will stretch it a little bit, not too much. I'll stretch it a little bit at the roots and come back to you. So hair slightly stretched, didn't go overboard with the stretching. I love this length, love the curls, love this product. Hands down the best product that I've used this year. I challenge any product to beat this in terms of what it gives me in results and the price point. Curls are amazing. If you want to save some coins this year, just do it. Highly recommend. My best product of the year so far. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the review. If you've been waiting for it, sorry that it took so long, but it's worth it. Try it. I hope it works for you. Like I say, not all products work for every texture, but if it does, brilliant. I'm rooting for you. If you do buy it and you try it and it works for you, let me know. Let me know your comments. Let me know your comments about this product. If you've already tried it, maybe it didn't work for you as much as I'm raving about it right now. But just let me know. See you in the next video. Take spirit-inspired actions and do it in style.